Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down lists and use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. These features are incredibly useful for organizing data, creating interactive spreadsheets, and automatically highlighting important information based on specific conditions you set. Let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your recent files and folders. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your drop-down list and apply conditional formatting. This will open your spreadsheet and allow us to begin customizing it. First, let's focus on creating a drop-down list. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. This could be any cell in your spreadsheet depending on where you need the drop-down functionality. Once you've selected your cell, look towards the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Dropdown. This action initiates the process of adding a drop-down list to your selected cell. After clicking Dropdown, you'll notice that data validation rules appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll configure all the settings for your drop-down list. You can set a range if you want the drop-down to apply to multiple cells, and under Criteria, make sure it is set to drop-down. This ensures you're working with the correct type of data validation. Now you'll see default items labeled something like Option 1 and Option 2. These are placeholders that you can customize to fit your needs. For example, let's change these to colors. Click on Option 1 and change it to blue, then click on Option 2 and change it to red. If you need more options, simply click Add another item and input a new value like green. You can continue adding as many items as you need for your drop-down list. There's also a checkbox labeled Allow multiple selections if you want users to be able to select more than one option at a time. Once you're satisfied with your drop-down configuration, click Done. Congratulations, you've successfully created a drop-down list in your spreadsheet. Now let's move on to conditional formatting, which allows you to automatically format cells based on the data they contain. First, select the range of data you want to apply conditional formatting to by clicking and dragging to highlight the cells. Once your data is highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side of your screen. In the Format Rules section, you'll see a drop-down menu with various conditions you can apply. The options include is empty, is not empty, text contains, text does not contain, and many more. These conditions give you powerful control over how your data is displayed. Choose the condition that best suits your needs based on what you're trying to accomplish. For this example, let's try Datas After. After selecting this option, another drop-down menu will appear giving you choices like today, tomorrow, yesterday, and exact date. Let's click on exact date to demonstrate how this works. In the value or formula field that appears, input a specific date like February 28, 2026. What this does is tell Google Sheets to highlight any dates in your selected range that fall after February 28, 2026. It's a fantastic way to quickly identify upcoming deadlines or future events in your data. Now let's customize how those highlighted cells will look. In the Formatting Styles section, you have multiple options to adjust the appearance. You can make the text bold, italic, underlined, or apply strike-through formatting. You can also change the color of the text itself and the background highlight color. Play around with these options until you achieve the visual effect that makes your data stand out clearly. This visual distinction makes it much easier to spot important information at a glance. Once you're happy with all your formatting choices, click Done. Your conditional formatting is now active and will automatically update as your data changes. This means if you add new dates or modify existing ones, the formatting will adjust automatically based on the rules you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down list and applied conditional formatting in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheet more interactive and visually informative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.